Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, I got a cool combo kit from AnyTone. This is the AnyTone AT-500M, I think it is, 500M, I'm sorry. So we're gonna unbox this thing, we'll put it over on to the radio stand over here and we'll go through all the features and functions, but I wanted to share it with you, so let's go ahead and open her up. And what we got here is an antenna and a radio combo kit. I like that about that. Let's take a look at the antenna first. Now I'll be using the AnyTone here for demonstrational purposes, but the fact that you can get a kit like this and be able to set it up on your car all out of one gate is pretty cool. Base loaded antenna, we do have a nice magnet mount with 18 feet of cable. And then we have, I've actually had this antenna and run it on a different car. So there's your base there. We do have a mid load, which is kind of nice. Slide that in, there's adjustments, there's a little Allen head key here, and then that sits up on top. And I would say that is about a 36-inch antenna, maybe 32. Yeah, I would say 32 probably. The antenna is the 77OR. It is designed for 27 megahertz, which happens to be the CB band, so that's a good deal. Yeah, it's pretty well built. So there's adjustments down here at the bottom, and there's also an adjustment here to get this in here, so you have some movement there. And like I said, a magnet mount here, got a nice rubber piece on there. Shouldn't damage the car at all. All right. And let's take a look at the main radio, AnyTone. I don't know that I've ever reviewed a radio from AnyTone. They make a lot of the radios that are rebranded as other radios, but this one here is a new one. The model is AT-500M2. Okay, let's open her up. Nice little manual. We'll get into that here in a second. All right, well, here it is. Let's take a look. On the front here, up and down buttons, the AM/FM switch that also is a CB and weather channel. We have squelch and automatic squelch control, as well as a lock button. Then we have an emergency button as well that also doubles as our menu button. And over here, channel and volume on and off. So a nice little thing. Looks like a good size display. Of course, we'll take a look at all this closer up on the bench, but there it is. On the back, good size heatsink. Good size heatsink on this thing. SO259 connector and a hardwired power connection. Size-wise, I would say that is like, actually reminds me of the TRC 503, a little bigger than that. Smaller than a Cobra 19 thickness-wise, maybe a bit wider. It's kind of its own class, I would say. Now, it does also have an external speaker, and it probably doubles as a PA out. I'm not positive. I haven't read the manual on this one yet, but it does say external speaker on there, so take that for what it will. The microphone is actually really nice. Got a good feel to it. Channel up, down, and function button on there. Oh, 6-pin, and I don't know, 4 feet fully stretched, probably 4 feet. Yeah, I would say 4 feet. Take a quick look at the manual here. Now it's 40 channel, it is AM, FM, and PA mode. Also has the weather channels, and it also has weather alerts that you can have set up on there. It does come with built-in echo. You can modify, add, and whatnot. It does have noise blanker, automatic noise limiter, automatic squelch control, RF gain. You can program the emergencies. I mean, channel 9 is no longer useful, so it's nice that you can swap that out. What I usually do is I leave mine on channel 19, and I add in channel 14, which is our local channel here. Nice bar graph. Let's see. Talkback function, which is also cool. Now, this radio also has CT, CSS, and DCS. I would say those functions, as part of bringing FM into the CB realm, are there, and that's what I would say. They're there. And yeah, it just gets into how to use it. We'll go over that when we get to the bench. Yeah, cool. All right, well, what are we waiting for? Let's get over there and let's get this thing on the bench. We'll check out all the features and functions, and I'll let you know what I think of the radio. Let's do it. All right, well, we got her hooked up on the bench. Go ahead and turn it on. And there she is. Yeah, already picking up some stuff. Okay, so let's go through this here. AM, FM mode is there. Press and hold when we get into weather. Let's just see if weather's working.
7-day forecast for the WXK-47 listening area, including the Tri-Cities and vicinity.
Awesome. Okay, so that's working just fine. Press and hold again. And we're back over to AM. We have squelch, and we can adjust that. And we also can press and hold, and we get into automatic squelch control. I'm going to leave that off right now. Below that, channel up and down. And then we have our emergency, which right now from the factory is set up to 9 and 19, but that is also programmable. And I guess we'll get in the menu first so we can get rid of that annoying beep. Oh, I didn't press that long enough. Hold on. Well, we can change that. I'm going to change that. Let's change that up to 14. Awesome. So emergency channels are now switched over to 14 and 19. Okay, so let's get into the actual menu, and we can reset everything. We can change the color around. We want to press that. Ooh, blue's kind of cool. I like the dark blue color. I think we're going to go with purple. Press that again. Brightness, we'll turn the brightness down because I know that sometimes on video, the lower the brightness shows up a little better. Yeah, we'll go with 2. Key beep. Oh, gosh. Let's get rid of that. That's the end of that problem. Roger beep. Yeah, man, we got to have that on. So I can't hear them. We'll just go with 6 for right now. When we have talkback turned on, we'll be able to hear that. Mic gain, I'm probably going to turn that up a bit. Mic type, and that's if we have electric or dynamic. This apparently comes with electric from the factory. Speaker volume path setting. Do we want the internal speaker, the external speaker, or both to be affected by this? We're going to leave that alone. Scan type, do we want squelch scan or time scan? So that's kind of a cool feature. You got an area that it's, well, let's say there's some radioactivity or I said solar activity that's creating a lot of a high noise floor. You can leave it on a timer to where it skips through the channels slowly so that you have a chance to hear if somebody's breaking through that static or they're barely above the noise floor. So that's something for you to consider. Skip scan, do I want to block channels? I can certainly do that. We can change that on and off. Box settings, talkback, let's turn that on. Yeah, we'll go with that. Time on talk set, we can set it so if we accidentally push down the keypad, it'll shut off after a set amount of time. Okay, automatic noise limiter and noise blanker settings, we can turn that on. Do we want noise blanker? Do we want both? I want both, right? So we'll leave it at that. High cut, do we want to have high cut off? Yeah, let's leave that on. Noise reduction setting, do we want RX and TX noise reduction setting? So right now, I'm just going to leave those be. And then we can turn on echo. And then the level, where do we want our echo to be on, right? I'm going to leave that just where it is. We'll see where that brings us. Alert for weather. Holy cow. You want to scare the pants off yourself? Go ahead and turn that on. That'll get you one day. RF gain setting. We can turn that off. I'm going to leave it off. It's maxed out. But you can adjust that if you want to run this with a with an amp, honestly. Or not, I'm sorry, that's RF power. RF gain just be to kind of lower the noise floor a bit. And then we have some CTSO stuff. CTCSO. And that's it, my friends. You can reset it back if you want to after you set your emergency channels. Cool. Well, let's get out of that, and we'll turn the volume up. I'll roll through the stations. A lot going on. Channel 6 is always entertaining.
sounds really good on all of those. So anyway, it's different, and I like it. I think I like it anyway. Motor mouth mower and the small multi hammer. We got down, breaker.
Brake channel for a radio check. Brake channel for a radio check. And of course, hopefully you can hear that, but the echo and the talkback functions are both working, so you can kind of hear yourself, and I would probably adjust that echo down some, but cool. Well, I like the fact that the colors change. You can dim it down. This would be good for driving at night right here, actually. And I like the fact that it has all these features and functions. I guess I'll leave it at that, my friends. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these things, and I'll see you next time. Take care.